Mason, what did Jesus do for baby Lily? What did you do for baby Lily?
Say my prayers.
You said your prayers, and what happened?
She feels better.
She feels better in Aunt Liz's tummy, huh?
Yeah.
What did he do to her heart?
Bless her.
He blessed her heart.
Yeah.
And you know why?
Why?
Because you said your prayers.
Yeah, that's what she just was baby lady.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, but Jesus is in the sky, so he can't reach baby lady.
Oh, he can't reach her?
No.
So then how did he bless her?
She blessed her in the sky.
He blessed her from the sky because you said your prayers?
Yeah.
Isn't that great? Are you happy? You're going to have a new cousin named Baby Lily.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome? Say goodbye.
Goodbye, Liz.
And Uncle.
Trent.
Bye.
Bye.